This robot went viral because it looks like science fiction. But the robots making real money right now don't even look human. They clean floors, move boxes, and do boring jobs nobody posts about. I went through the actual financial reports. The numbers stopped me. If you follow Chinese tech, you've seen a lot of this. Robots dancing, doing backflips, walking around offices like it's the future. Every week has a new headline. I get it, it looks impressive, but here's the headline don't show you. In 2025, UBTech, China's most visible listed humanoid robot company, still lost over $100 million. That's not a startup. That's a huge company with real products and real customers. But they are still breathing money. And they are not the only one. So I asked a different question. Which Chinese robot companies are actually making money right now? The biggest winner in this market in 2025 wasn't a humanoid. It was this. Ecovacs, best known for the robots that clean your floor, made $2.6 billion in revenue last year. Right behind them, Roborock, same business. Their net profit last year, $189 million. These robots go in circles. That is their entire job. And they print money. In warehouse, same thing. Robots moving boxes over and over. No dancing or backflips, just real work. The companies making the most money right now, you probably walked past one this morning and didn't notice. One exception. There's one humanoid company that actually made money last year, Unitree, $237 million in revenue, actually profitable, $40 million in net profit. For a robotics hardware company, that's rare. But look at how they make it. Japan Airlines, from the country that invented industrial robotics, is now running trials with Unitree robots at Haneda Airport for luggage handling. Think about that. The most advanced humanoid robot from China, the one that goes viral doing backflips, its real job is loading suitcases at an airport. And that's exactly why Unitree might survive while others burn cash. That's not a feeling. That's the whole point. Unitree figured it out. The money is not in the demo. The money is in the job. I'm not saying humanoids won't win. I'm saying they haven't started paying rent yet. I've been in Shenzhen for 10 years. I've seen this movie before. In 2012, everyone wanted to make mobile payments exciting. Digital wallets with features, cool visual interfaces. What actually won? Alipay. It made paying invisible, boring, and instant. Just scan and go. The same thing is happening right now in robots. Here's my take. The robots making real money right now are solving one problem. Replace a repetitive task at scale, reliably. Cleaning floors, moving boxes, inspecting pipes. Not because it's glamorous, but because it removes a real cost. Businesses don't pay for cool technology. They pay to remove a cost. The companies trying to impress you are burning through investor money. But the companies solving real operational problems are making money today, not in 5 years. Today. So, if you are watching China's robot industry, don't just watch the humanoids. Watch the floor cleaners, warehouse movers, and the robots doing jobs nobody wants to do. Because those companies are already winning. Here's the question for you. Is that robot on your feet actually working? Or just practice? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. I'm Scarlett. Follow me. I show you how Chinese tech really works on the ground in Shenzhen. See you in the next video.